Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive deep into the features of two popular dash cams, the REDTIGER F7NP and the Miden X5. Both of these devices promise to enhance your driving experience with advanced recording capabilities. Today, we will compare their video quality, features, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. When it comes to video quality, the REDTIGER F7NP offers a stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. This ensures that you capture every detail on the road. In contrast, the Miden X5 also provides 4K quality for the front, but adds two additional 1080p cameras for interior and rear views, giving you a comprehensive 3-channel recording. This makes the Miden X5 a great choice for those who want all-around coverage. The REDTIGER F7NP stands out with its built-in GPS, allowing you to track your speed and location effortlessly. It also boasts superior night vision capabilities. On the other hand, the Miden X5 offers a unique 360 degrees view with its 3-channel recording, along with a G sensor that detects collisions and locks important footage. Both cameras have their strengths, catering to different user needs. In terms of pricing, the REDTIGER F7NP is priced at $199, which reflects its high-end features and quality. However, the Miden X5 is significantly more affordable at just $64, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. While the REDTIGER offers premium features, the Miden X5 provides excellent value for those looking for a reliable dash cam without breaking the bank. After comparing the REDTIGER F7NP and the Miden X5, it's clear that both dash cams have unique advantages. The REDTIGER excels in video quality and features like GPS, while the Miden X5 offers great value with its 3-channel recording at a lower price. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.